Okay, it's Randy again, and I want to take a look at the sprinkler again. Now, one of the things that I had told you was that the washer here was worn out. So I took and put a O-ring here and an O-ring up here. Now I don't know if this one really will do anything or not, but it's there. Don't know if you can see it or not. But there's not a whole lot of play up and down, which is good. And it seems to move from side to side pretty well. So what I want to do is test it, see how it works, if it's any different than what we had before. Now I don't have the spring on here like I had before, so we'll see if that makes any difference. But this O-ring should help keep it from leaking, or at least that's my hope. So here we go. Okay, so we're going to take this one off. Get that out of the way. Strangely enough, this sprinkler worked pretty well, which for one that I normally would not buy, and although I have several of these, it worked. All right, well, let's go make a test. And I will be right back. Okay, so it's not leaking like it was before. You know, if I put one of the white smooth washers in there, it would glide it through a little better. But this is working. So it's not quite as fast as it was before, but I think once I put the white washer in there, that it'll glide a little easier. So that'll be another test. I'm actually happy with the results because it's really working pretty smoothly, even though, like I said, it's not as fast as I expected it. And I know the O-ring being rubber slows it down. But I guess I can't complain too much because it is working. Almost got me wet. You know, it's amazing what difference metal stops will make. They don't move, and when it goes into reverse and goes to hit those stops, it changes direction exactly where it's supposed to. And surprisingly, the metal sprinkler did that pretty well as well, and mainly because it had metal stops. The problem with the plastic stops is they are not solid in place. And so a lot of the plastic sprinklers have a tendency to change direction either a slight early or a slight late, depending on was tiny. It seems a lot more consistent. And it's really doing a nice job of watering in between. What can I tell you? A 50-year-old sprinkler, Raintime. So I wanted to show this to you again with the O-ring, or the two O-rings in there. And so what I'm going to do is take out one O-ring and put in a white washer, a nylon washer, which actually gives it a little bit easier movement as far as sliding from left to right. So this is really good. And at the right time of the day when the sun isn't beating down on me. But don't forget to subscribe and press the like button. And again, this is Randy, and we'll see you with the next sprinkler video.